Hi guys, welcome back to another Off-Road Outlaws video, and today we're going to be doing a SEMA truck build like this one, pretty close. And so yeah, and let's just get right into it. So I already know what I'm going to do. Let's paint white, maybe get a little gray so we won't see those lines there. Oh, now I'm looking at the gray. I don't know, I do want to keep it matte. Do that white, light it up, and then tint will go there. Let's do some there, yeah. And if you didn't know, it actually like tints to the lights. If you didn't, I'm pretty sure you did. See here, you see the tint to the lights. That's pretty cool. That detail. I'm gonna go right there. Okay. Let me move this. Okay. Now rims, I already know. I like tires. I already know what to pick though. These. Do I want to keep this a dually? I'll keep it a dually for now and see what it looks like after. Let's see. Metallic. Let's do a goldy again, like a goldish. Then dampen it down a little, like the brightness. Like right there, I guess. And then I'm gonna make it metallic. And there. I like to get my paint like exact. Doesn't take that long. Like, look how close I am. There. And then let's do the American flag. Let's see. I want to see what it looks like. I want to see. Yeah, well, yeah, probably we'll do it somewhere else. Like maybe on the hood, actually. I like that American flag. Some plots. Then I darken it. Okay, I'm gonna add some of this. You know what? I have an idea. Dudes will make this big enough. And then I'm gonna go back to shapes. I'm gonna grab this, paint exact, and then just do that. And then again with this one, it's like same paint. Let's go there. And then the front, well, I think it's good. But yep, we got the flag. There we go. Oh, well, nope, we got something on the other side. Okay. Need to cover up. Well, it doesn't really matter, but I'm just gonna keep this. There you go. There we go. Now we're all good. I'm pretty sure we're maxed out. Yeah. Okay. Now body. I think I'm definitely keeping a stock. Rear bumper. Well, probably stock. Oh, flatbed. I've never seen this in a flatbed. I feel like this is like. I wish they had. I do appreciate they have flatbeds. Actually, I like this flatbed a lot. Sleeping on it on this truck. I think I want to keep this stuff. Any cages? No. Footsteps, I might add that one. Just because of it. Here we go. Light bar. I don't like it because then it covers like those lights there. So I want to keep it off. We're definitely going to make this a diesel. Let's just... Wait, what's this? Oh yeah, the front light bar. Forgot. Okay, lights first. It should have like a red. That'd be cool. Diesel. Yep, right there. Let's pay this. Now, first of all, I want to order it just straight up. I'm not going to max it out yet because I do looks first and then max out. I'm not really into the perform first. Select so pro. If I had enough gold, I would like buy the heavy duty. Yeah, this might not be a dually SEMA truck. Let's max it out to stage 3 because I think that's going to be the perfect travel and all that. Travel. Maybe 4 to front. Yeah, 4. Stage 4. Well, do you want to max it up all the way? Sure, why not? But I will have to bring it down in the rear then. Why is travel? Why is it always like that? Like it's different travel. Squat truck. No, definitely no. Never a squat truck. Don't like those at all. Who invented the squat truck or squat car? Most of I've seen are actually cars, like SUVs. I think that's perfect. Do you want to... First, let's do the tires next step. Steph doesn't want to do that stock, but the dampening I went to 3,000, I think. So let's do 3,000 there. Dampening. 3,000 there. Now the radius, we'll just go boom. Boom. Rims, yes. Boom. 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 Yeah, this is probably not going to be a dually. Yeah, I'm going to have to make these extra widthy. Okay, the radius, it needs to be bigger, but the radius on the rear, put the width on that. If I want to try to make this a dually, like a good, decent dually, let's make this into a 1.2. There we go. I may add some fenders, actually. I want to go add some fenders. Looks done right there, but I like those. Add some black to it. So, yeah. Axis width, about a 3. And then axis width. How far can it go without clipping in the tie wheel shocks? Well, pretty much all the whole time, so yeah, I guess we can't do anything. So we did an axis width in the front. Actually, wrong button. Now we need to do the axis width a 3 there. Hold up. I hear people yelling at each other. Oh dang. There's a fight right there. Oh no, they're just talking, never mind. Sounds like I'm gonna have to keep that like stock. Okay, is radius? I feel like the rim size. Yeah, rim size. Radius. Yep, okay. Now this thing's done. How much money? Yeah, we have a decent amount. So this is already diesel swapped. Oh, what did I do that for? Now turbo, which is at the turbo real quick. Turbo diesel. Okay, we maxed out the engine. Wait, actually let's do durability. Is this like cheap? No, Dan grip. Okay. All we have to do is wait, but I'm definitely not gonna have enough, so yeah. These look nice next to each other, like the American hood and all that. That's nice. I do have a mud bogging of this, so okay. Trying to make sure like Do I want to sell anything, or do I just want to go, like, look for cash? How long have I been? We better just go drive it right now. So, where do you want to take this at? Let's go to the stump park again. That's where the best spot is. And oh, dang. There's already a nice truck right this just runs by. Dang, that's a big exhaust. Again, I would show you, but I don't have, like, a camera when I'm playing a game. But, yeah. If it'll load, we will test it out. If it'll load. Trying to keep my hands still so like it doesn't make the noise. So because I don't have the best quality on games and all that. It's a very I definitely need to stiffen it up. Well, okay, yeah. It's a nice truck. I like it. Yeah, we're gonna exit out and just stiffen it up and do. Someone actually forgot to do the shocks. Let's see. Ooh, that's a pop. Do you know what they should add? They should add like Trump 2020 flags if you're a Trump fan, and they should add Biden flags and if they're a Biden fan. I'm not gonna go pick who by who, but I'm pretty sure you know who I'm gonna pick. But I'm not saying. Okay. What was it? Oh yeah. So stiffness, I will have to do. I will do 20,000 on here. 25 actually. Will that be too well? 24-ish. Then stiffness, 24-ish. There. Then bring down. Well, the rear travel is okay, but now we just got to do the front. There. Oh yeah, shocks. What shocks? I want to keep them red. Let's keep them red. Shock size. Let's do a 2.2. Shock size 2.2. 2.2 there. Those are big boys. Now drop test. I say that's a pretty good drop. Tire's kind of glitch. I think I will dampen it. Well, no, that will make it worse. So, I say that's good enough. But already we got 2 gold white truck. Ooh, that gives me an idea. Don't mind me, like you just playing a game. Then you just want to fly. Okay, people make these underrated. This is hard to control. Like, how did people? Yeah. Explain, please. I might have to remove one. So, let's see this one. Did I remove that one? No. Me over here being an idiot now. Is this one I need? Yes. Guess we'll keep. First, we'll exit out. And then we'll add that one back again. Yikes. Golden. Okay. Right about, I want to say there. But I want to see if there's a way that I can, like, remove this. Yeah. This one. Remove it. Make, like, this one as big as possible. Like, shrink it. You know what? I have an idea. We'll use this over here. Yeah, that works. Just gotta do some adjustments. Hello. Oh gosh. Okay, this is terrible right now. Hold on. Let's make this black first, so we know what's going on here. Now I'll do it white. It's in my color. There. Now we can finally do the black stripe on the bottom. Or double, blah, never mind. But we'll have to make this a little gray. I just heard someone's corn. Okay, no, we're not gonna do it all the way back. We'll do right there. Now I'm thinking about it, it kind of looks bad. Ooh, I get it. Well, what about the goldenish? Oh wow, no, ow, that hurts the eyes. My eyes, beautiful eyes. There you go. Yeah, like that. There we go. Everything's looking good. So, okay, now, this is probably a long video, yeah. Let's go back home. I want to quickly drive this and then the video is done. Okay. Oh, by the way, tomorrow's my birthday. I'm turning 12 tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll be going to drive. Well, maybe. Because today we have a game, but tomorrow, a basketball game today. And then tomorrow we are going maybe quadding, like drive quads, my four-wheeler and all that. So yeah, that'll be cool. And I'll get to drive it with my friend. He has a much bigger one, like adult size. But mine's like a kid one, like actual size, like for me. But his little brother, yeah, just still needs like stiffen up or, yeah, a little too hot, dampening and, yeah, but I'm still gonna go with it. Let's jump it. Yay! You ready? 3, 2, 1, yeet! Will we make it on the track? I'm pretty sure we will. Yeah. I need to add a repair pack in this. It's look nice with one. View turn! Okay, that's a good turning. Okay, that's nice. Should I put a non-auto like gearing so I can roll coal on this thing? Because that would be sick. Because I do have it in my Chevrolet, but I don't have it on because I don't like that. I just keep on pressing and yeah. Let's watch it. Boom! Oh well. Yeah, it'll be much better. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna stiffness, but yeah. Well, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Comment down below what I should build next. And I'm actually running out of ideas. And then the new limited vehicles, I might buy one of those. So, yeah, but make sure to subscribe and like the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.